welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. For those of you who have been requesting I do how to trade the boom and crash, this video is for you. But please, like I do always say in my video, leverage on the information the indicators are giving you at the current time so that you'll be able to make the best use of it, and don't allow greed to take much losing is because you tend to hold trades that you need to have closed earlier for a longer time, having this mindset that price will always move either further or change direction. Price doesn't have any respect for your emotion, neither does it regard your suggestion based on the move. Price will always be price, and price will always go whichever direction it chooses to. So yours is to always follow the trend and make sure you leverage on it. Today's strategy, you can use it for catching spike, and at the same time you can use it to tick the default settings, be it on boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, or crash 500. So I want to explain in details how you can use this strategy as a beginner, and please make sure you backtest it, get to understand it very well before you start going live with it, because majority of you are impatient to test strategies posted online. You just believe it is accurate, so therefore you have to just use it. Trading is not like that. Trading has to do with a strategic planning, and if you fail to plan, already you've planned to fail. So please always apply check and balance by testing it. Be satisfied with the result you get, then you can move further to leverage on it on any assets. That being said, before I show you the settings, now let me tell you how you use it for catching spike, most especially on the 1 minute time frame. Now, to catch spike with this strategy, there is a condition involved. The condition is that when you notice there is a move, like what you see now, where price has changed to red, the chart has changed to red, and you see price moving. So when it approaches the level 15, which is the extreme level here, before you join or before you take any spike, make sure you see the first spike cross above the Bollinger Band, probably the first, second, and the third level. So when it is retracing back towards the second or the middle line, when it's few pips getting closer, you can shoot your shot. At this point, you will notice that the Ichimoku will be changing from the red cloud to green cloud, indicating that price is about to go up. So at this point, you just open your buy, and then you'll be able to take this spike. Exactly. Now, to use this further, to get it more accurately, it is usually better to apply a form of settings that you check the trend in a higher time frame, maybe using the 1 hour time frame, because when you go to the 1 hour time frame and price is on a bearish move, you will usually have lesser spike. So if it spike once and you fail to close it, maybe probably you are waiting for another spike, it might just close and start going down straight up, because on the 1 hour time frame, price is in a bearish move. So the only conditions whereby you will open for spike and you'll be expecting another is if price is bullish on the higher time frame. Exactly. And how can you identify if price is bullish on the higher time frame, especially the 1 hour time frame? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and let me show you how you can identify if price is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. The first thing you will notice is that you will see price above the middle line of the Bollinger Band. You see price above the middle line of the Bollinger Band. This is it. And this point, any little opportunity you get in the 1 minute is going to give you a very good high winning result. So the other way around, you will notice that the cloud is what? Green, not more red. So anytime you have this, you see these conditions in the 1 hour time frame, you should always go to the 1 minute time frame and leverage on catching spike, be it on boom or crash. Exactly. Be it on the boom indices or the crash indices. So, and when you want to take the default, make sure that the 1 hour time frame, look at this instance now where we have a very long time buy in the H1. So if you had gotten this opportunity and you open for buy in the 1 minute time frame, you will have just been leveraging on all this bullish move towards the upside. Is that clear? So then anytime you notice price in a bearish format where price is below the middle line of the Bollinger Band, when you come down to your Ichimoku, you will notice that your Ichimoku is on the red cloud, indicating that even if there's any spike, there's higher probability of price covering it back. Is that clear? So this is how you can definitely identify a trend, then trade based on that trend on the 1 minute time frame. Is that clear, guys? So please, I usually plead that you text this before you move on, before you do what, before you move on, back test it, because the mistake most of you make is when it comes to trading, the process is having a strategy in place, understanding the strategy, then before you go venturing it into your real account. But when you don't have a strategy in place and you proceed to create an account, then fund it before you start looking for strategy, definitely on the long run you are going to lose that trade and you're going to lose that money rather. So please have this habit that the first thing that come for trading is not funding the account. What matters is, do you have a strategy that is going to benefit you? If yes, then you go ahead to fund the account. But if no, or you are not even sure, that is when some of you will fund the account, then you blow the account off. So please always have this mindset that you need to test the strategy first before venturing into a real account. And then when you venture into a real account, you have to also mind not to forget the principle of management risk or risk management. Where identify areas where stop loss is needed, put it, and where take profit is also needed. So you don't assume that price will always favor you all the time. So that being said, let's go to the settings now. First thing, you click on this icon at the top here. When you click on that icon, it will take you to where the indicators are. Is that clear? So the first indicator on the chart is the Bollinger Band with a period of 20, deviation 2.000, shift 0, apply to close. Then make sure you use any color of your choice, then any peg size of your choice. You click on save. Now the next one is to add the window 1. To add the window 1, you have to still click on this first main icon. When you click on it, it will take you to where the indicators are. Go straight to under oscillator. That is where you'll be able to find the stochastic oscillator. And when you click on it, the parameter should be like this. We have period of 5, that is the K period, D period of 3, and then slowing should also be 3. Then make sure it is price filled, method close. The signal and the mean should be in your background color. That means if you are using a black background, let it be on black background color. While if you are using a white background, make sure you choose white background. Then the levels are level 15 and 85 respectively. Lastly, or the list in the chart is the Ichimoku. For the Ichimoku, we have the the T period as 5, the K period as 2, while the second span B is 21. Don't fill the box, leave it. So then we have business with the upper Como and the down Como. You can see the pixel and the color. So when you're done, you click on save. So this now gives you the interface, this gives your chart the interface like this to leverage on. You can try it on the boom indices, try it on the crash indices, and then let me know in the comment section your opinion, how effective it is. But believe me, I've been using it previously before I started using the software. Now that reminds me, if you are into trading and you have been making consistent losses, the best solution now is to get my current software, which I recently updated, to help you out in perfect entry and exit. Either you are a novice or you are an old timer. If you check my last video, I showed the result over $100 in a single day. It was not by chance, it was based on the signals I got from these softwares I personally put together. So if you are interested, my WhatsApp number is usually in my description below. You can chat me up, then I will tell you the procedures and how you can start making consistent earnings on trading, either forex, crypto, or synthetic indices every single day. So thanks for watching. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Put on the notification bell, because as time goes on now, I'll be posting videos most of the time, so that you don't get to miss when I post my next video. Shares, and see you in the next one.